Hi everyone. So today I'm going to make veg biryani with basmati rice in pressure cooker. So I'm going to show you how to make this recipe without adding any masala powders by just making the paste of the ingredients at home. You get the color as well as the taste. So make sure to like this video and check out how I prepare this recipe. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I post videos on cooking and other stuff that interests me. So let's get on with this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So firstly, in a blending jar, I'm going to add in coriander leaves, pudina leaves, green chilies, ginger, garlic, onions. All these are roughly chopped. Adding in salt as well as a bit of turmeric powder, few cinnamon and cloves. I'm going to add a bit of water and going to blend all this well together. To this, I'm going to add in finely grated desiccated coconut or fresh coconut and again blending it so we get this consistency at the end. So keep this aside. Now in a medium cooker on medium flame, I'm adding in about a tablespoon of ghee. All the measurements are in the description box below. Please check it out. To this, I'm adding in crushed cardamom, crushed star anise, few marata moggu, few stone flowers and few bay leaves, and I'm going to saute it for about a minute. Next, I'm going to add in some cumin seeds. Once they start to splutter, I'm going to add in the roughly chopped onions, little oil, frozen peas, and I'm going to cook this until the onions have become soft and the color has changed. After that, I'm going to add in finely chopped tomatoes, chopped beans, chopped carrots, chopped potatoes, blended paste. Going to combine this all well and adding some salt. Again, combine it well. Going to cover this and allow this to cook on medium flame for 10 minutes. Saute in intervals. So after 10 minutes, I'm going to add in the washed basmati rice, adding in a tablespoon of ghee. Combine well and again cover and cook this for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, now I'm going to add in the water which I have got it from the mixie jar, keora water, lemon juice. Adjust the taste by adding salt at the end. Combine well, and I'm going to pressure cook this for about 2 medium whistles. Okay, since this is a basmati rice, we do not cook it in the same way as we cook normal rice. There is 1 whistle less while cooking basmati rice. Then turn off the flame and keep aside for 20 minutes and then open the lid carefully and your vegetable biryani is ready. Take a ladle which is sharp at the ends and carefully mix in all together. Okay, make sure not to break the grains of the rice. So here you can see all the rice grains are separate and it is cooked well. The masalas are coated on each grain of the rice and this is ready to be served. This is simple, delicious, has no masala powders added to it. You can serve this with raita also or eat it as its own. Okay, so please go and try out this recipe and comment in the section down below how you liked it. And guys, I'll see you next time. I had made this recipe for the festival, and trust me, I enjoyed it. It was so tasty, spicy. Actually, you can add more green chilies if you like spiciness. So that is all you can do. Okay, guys, then make sure to give my video a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Until then, take care, guys. Bye.